A small cafe story. There was a small cafe in a quiet village. The cafe was surrounded by lush mountains and was a place where you could enjoy the beautiful scenery of the four seasons. The owner of the cafe, valued the space that made people forget their daily business while providing wonderful coffee that was loved by the villagers and tourists. One afternoon, EMI was looking up at the sky while drinking warm herbal tea on the terrace of the cafe. As I looked at the clouds floating in the blue sky, my heart calmed down and it seemed as if time had stopped. At that time, the children in the village came to the cafe while playing. "Sister EMI, can I help you make sweets today?" a girl said. EMI smiled and nodded, inviting the children into the kitchen. The children laughed and started making cookies with EMI. EMI's heart warmed up at the enthusiastic appearance of kneading flour and mixing chocolate. When the fragrant aroma began to drift, the customers who visited the cafe also felt soft happiness. When the cookies were baked, the children showed each other their work and laughed happily. When I saw that figure, the tranquility and warmth of the village soaked in my heart, and I felt as if I was wrapped in a small miracle of everyday life. As dusk approaches, the soft sunset shines on the cafe's terrace, and the entire village is dyed golden. EMI and the children put freshly baked cookies on the terrace and shared them with the customers. Everyone's faces were filled with smiles, and they were enjoying a warm moment. That night, EMI looked at the starry sky and recalled today's events. A time when you can feel small happiness and warmth in your busy days. I reconfirmed how important it was, and my heart was filled. This quiet village cafe will continue to be loved by many people as a place of peace in the depths of the heart. And the smiles of the people gathered there enveloped the whole village even more warmly. The end.